G'day everybody and welcome to Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions news channel. G'day everybody, well I've got some breaking news. Well, it's probably not breaking unless you've been living under a rock. But the good news is that Craig Jones has decided to launch his own YouTube channel, which is exciting stuff. And we are all behind him 150%. We love you, Craig. We love what you do. So if you've never seen the guy's work, he builds some of the most beautiful custom motorcycles that you're ever likely to see. And quite often from motorcycles that you don't often see being customized. So Craig's set himself up. He's got a camera, a GoPro Hero 6 that he bought secondhand. He's launched his Teespring site. He's launched a Patreon site too, I think, which I'll be sure to check out, Craig, and I'll be tipping into that if you have. And he has obviously started the YouTube channel. The name of the YouTube channel is The Doghouse. We love our doggies, don't we, Lou? We love our doggies. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, The Doghouse. So, exciting times ahead. There's always room for one more on YouTube. There's always room for one more on YouTube. So head over. He's already clocked up nearly 1,500 subscribers. That's in his first day. That's awesome. So give him some love. Head over to The Doghouse. Get around him. He could do with a bit of loving, I think. So all the best to you, Craig. God knows that we're all dying to see your talented hands, your craft come to life through those big fat ginger fingers of yours. Get on with it. Head over, check out The Doghouse, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.